In this video, I'll show you the #1 feature that sets Tykr apart from any other investing platform on the market. Before we dive in, if you're new to investing or want to get better at investing, you're in the right place. Here at Tykr, we're all about clear, confident investing. So before I share my screen, up until this point, there have been 3 things that really separate Tykr from other platforms. #1, our calculations are open source. What that means is you can actually go to tykr.com, go to education, and then go to calculations. As we tell our customers, if you're interested, you can copy and paste these calculations to Excel and really create your own version of Tykr. Of course, we still hope you stay with us, but we like to be transparent. It builds trust. We don't want to create a black box that creates some kind of secret formula. Overall, we want you to either use Tykr to buy and sell stocks with confidence, or if you're interested, you can just go to the calculations, go use Excel, and that's fine as well. #2, you can actually see my portfolio. So when you join, you can see what stocks I hold. That way you know what I buy, hold, and sell. Again, my team and I really place a high priority on transparency. And #3, don't ever listen to what I have to say about Tykr. I always tell people, go to Trustpilot and see what our customers have to say. So if you go to the homepage of Tykr, and then right here, you'll see Trust Index. You can click on that. You'll drive to another page and it kind of collects all of our ratings from Trustpilot, from Google, from Facebook. So far, with close to about 200 ratings at the end of 2024, we have a score of 4.9 out of 5. Overall, we do have the highest rating in the investing industry. All right, before I share my screen, I want to give you a little context. So a few of our customers work for financial institutions, and they asked if we could create a screen that compares the S&P 500 against Tykr over a certain amount of years in the past. And I thought, all right, so let's go ahead and give this a shot. So what we did is we took funds or bundles of stocks in certain categories. If you don't already know, stocks in Tykr are either on sale, watch, or overpriced. On sale being the best. Those are those green stocks. And only about 15% of stocks in Tykr actually make it to that level. So if you can look for on sale stocks, that's great. Second, we have a tool called the 4M Confidence Booster. I'll keep it really quick. You have the first M, which is the math part of investing. Then you have the meaning, that's the business model. Then you have the moat, that's the comparison against the competition. And then the 4th M is the management, that's the track record of the CEO. Doing homework on all 4 could take you hours, if not days of research. Our tool does it in seconds with the power of OpenAI. And this first bundle is on sale stocks, 4M score of 70, large cap. So check this out. Over on the right, you can see the S&P 500 over years, 5-year return of the S&P as of October, here as of the recording, 96%. Tykr, this fund, 250%. If you scroll down, you can see what stocks fall in this category. Now keep in mind, stocks are always shuffling in and out of this bucket or fund. Let's go to the next one here. This is Watch, 4M 70, large cap. You can see here returns 161%, still much higher than the market. Here's another one, on sale large cap stocks. You can see here 163 versus 96. And then for fun, I created a tech ETF in about 30 seconds. And in this case, 282% versus 96%. Now over on the right, if you're interested, you can go ahead and create your own fund. You can create a name, add assets individually, or import from a portfolio in Tykr, or import from a watch list you already created. I know some of you have like a watch list of like between 50 and 100 stocks. With like one click, you can just add this and see how it performs against the S&P 500. So there you go. This gives you a nice comparison of how does Tykr really compare to the market. In summary, we created this tool to give you more confidence when you're looking for stocks. And if you work for a financial institution and you're putting together funds, such as index funds, ETFs, or mutual funds, you could use Tykr to save yourself a lot of time and provide more value to your customers. All right, thanks for checking out this video. If you're interested and you want to buy and sell stocks with confidence on your own, you can join Tykr for free. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.